In this video, we'll show you how to install and connect the AFAM in-box CTU. For easier installation, remove the CTU box's door. Mount the CTU box to the wall. Screw the fixed aerial to the connector on top of the box. Alternatively, use the patch aerial and mount higher or on a window to improve cellular signal. Ensure the patch aerial is mounted vertically. Wire the SGD into port 1 on the CTU. Any additional fire systems, up to 8 in total, can be connected and addressed as per the CTU configuration. Tug test the cable to confirm a tight connection for each wire. Set the SGD address. In this instance, the SGD address will be number 1, non-multi-drop. Now connect the main power supply. Connect the supplied power pack to the CTU's DC terminal. Tug test the cable to confirm a tight connection for each wire. Plug the power pack into the wall socket and turn on the mains. Connect the CTU's backup battery. The CTU's DC light should now be on solid. The battery light will blink intermittently. The PWR light should be flashing. And the comms light should be on solid. Pressing the RSSI level button turns the state lights into a signal graph. One single fire light indicates a low cellular signal, while all lights illuminated is high. A reading of 3 lights, fire, test, and isolate, indicates an acceptable cellular signal. For commissioning, contact AFAM on the number shown. Once commissioning is complete, refit, close, and lock the CTU box's door.